Hello and welcome to our program where we explore the properties of two prominent Indian launch vehicle, the PSLV, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and the GSLV Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. Join us as we delve into their unique characteristic and capability. Let us begin our journey by uncovering the properties of PSLV. The PSLV is renowned for its reliability and versatility. Here are some of its notable features. The PSLV can carry a payload of approximately 1750 to 1900 kg to a polar orbit. You can see the details of different polar launch vehicles in this image. It is also capable of accommodating multiple satellites in a single launch, maximizing efficiency and cost effectiveness. Launch flexibility. So PSLV is highly flexible in terms of launching satellites into different orbits, including polar orbits, sun synchronous and geosynchronous transfer orbits. Its fourth stage, the PS4, can reignite multiple times, allowing it to deploy payloads into different orbits during a single mission. Let us talk about its propulsion system. So, the PSLV utilizes a combination of solid and liquid propellants across its stages. The first stage employs solid propellants for high thrust, while the second and fourth stage use liquid propellant for precise control and the flexibility. Let us shift our focus to the properties of the GSLV. The GSLV is specifically designed for launching satellites into geosynchronous orbits. Here are some of its key properties that you must to note down it and you must to keep in mind. Let us talk about its enhanced payload capacity. You can also visit in the image, you will find the details about the polar or the launch vehicles, right? So the GSLV boasts a higher payload capacity compared to the PSLV, enabling it to carry heavier satellites. Its cryogenic upper stages CUS significantly contributes to this increased capacity. Let us talk about its geosynchronous orbit deployment. The GSLV specializes in deploying satellites into geosynchronous orbits, which are located approximately 36,000 km above the Earth's equator. Geosynchronous orbits are crucial for applications such as telecommunication, television broadcasting, and weather forecasting. Let us talk about its cryogenic upper stage, that is very important stage in the GSLV. So GSLV's unique features is the CUS, that is cryogenic upper stage, which employs a combination of liquid hydrogen, that is LS2, and liquid oxygen LOX propellants. The cryogenic stage provides high thrust and efficiency, enabling the GSLV to deliver payloads to geosynchronous orbit. Now let us talk one by one its application and signification. Right? Let's explore the application and significance of these launch vehicles. Now let us first talk about PSLV application. So before it, first you should keep in mind that PSLV and GSLV play pivotal role in India's space program and have contributed to numerous mission and applications. So the PSLV has been instrumental in launching a wide range of satellites, including Earth observation, scientific research, and navigation satellites like the IRNSS, that is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. It has also undertaken interplanetary missions such as Mars orbital mission, that is also known as Mangalyaan, showcasing its versatility and reliability. Let us now focus our attention to GSLV applications. So GSLV primarily applicable is deploying satellites into geosynchronous orbit for the telecommunication, broadcasting, and also weather forecasting. It has successfully launched notable satellites like the GSAT series, providing crucial communication service across India. So, as we here conclude our exploration of the properties of PSLV and GSLV. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, do the like button, and share with your fellow aspirant. Thank you. Let's meet in our next video.